So please all of you open page number 124, division tables 2, 5 and 10. Today we are going to learn division table of 2. Division table of 2. How can you make division table of 2? Let us see. Division is represented with the symbol of this one. What you call this symbol? Divided by. Okay. What you call this symbol? Divided by. దీని ఏమని పిలుస్తారు? Divided by. దీని ఏమని అంటాము? Plus means when you see the symbol we have to do addition. When you see the symbol we have to do the subtraction. What you call the symbol? Minus. When you see the symbol what you will do? Multiplication. What you call the symbol? Into. When you see the symbol what we will do? Division. What you call the symbol? Divided by. Okay na? Plus, minus, into, divided by. When you see the symbol we have to do addition. When you see the symbol we have to do subtraction. When you see the symbol we have to do multiplication. When you see the symbol we have to do division. Okay na? Today we are learning division, division table of 2. How you will get division table of 2? Let us see. What you call the symbol? Divided by. When you see the symbol what we will do? We have to do the division. Okay na? The division number sentence to show the taking is 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. This is called division sentence ma. This is called division sentence. Why teacher you are telling? Here division symbol is there, so that's why I am telling division. So the division number sentence to show taking away. Where you taking away? Here see. This means we can taking away 2 4 times from the 8. How teacher? 8 divided by 2. So this is total number of things. This is number of groups. So we have to find out each group as how many things we have to distribute. So put it 1 and 2 groups. First time 8 groups are there. First time I am distributed 1 1. So 8 minus 2, what is the answer we will get? 6. Why this 2? Why teacher we are subtracting? 1 1 we are distributed for each group. So the total, so the 2 are taking away from this here. 8 minus 2 6. Again we are distributed again 1 1. So now 6 minus 2 how much? 4. Again we are distributed 1 1 for each group. Now 4 minus 2 how much? 2. Again we are distributed 1 1 for each group. 2 minus 2, what is the answer? 0. How many times we are doing this repeated subtraction? 1 2 3 4 times. That point they are telling. This means that we can take away 2 number 4 times means here 8 minus 2 6, 6 minus 2 4, 4 minus 2 2, 2 minus 2 2. So we are taking away means we are doing subtraction. Yes or no? Here see 8 minus 2 6. Why you are doing? We have to distribute it for 8 things 2 groups. 8 divided by 2. Total number of things 8. I have to distribute it 2 groups. First one group, second group. First time I am distributed 1 1 for each group. So totally how many things I distributed? 2 things. So 8 minus 2 6 remains. Again I am distributed 1 1 for each group. Totally 2 things are distributed. Now 6 minus 2 4. Again I am distributed 1 1 for each group. Total how many I am distributed? 2 things. So 4 minus 2 2. Using these 2 things I am distributed equally. 2 minus 2 how much? 0. So totally how many times we are taking away 2 number? 1 2 3 4 times. That point they are telling. This means that you can take away 2 4 times from 8. 8 నుంచి మనము 2 నెంబర్ని 4 times తీసేస్తున్నాము. ఓకేనా? Until you will get 0 number, you don't stop the subtraction. I mean this repeated subtraction. You will get 0 number, you have to stop the repeated subtraction. Okay, how many times we are taking 2 number? 1 2 3 4 times. You will get 0 number, you have to stop the repeated subtraction. Yes or no? So this 8 number is telling number of objects. This 2 number is telling number of groups. So this 4 number is telling each group as 4 things. So that what is this division sentence meaning? That means we can taking away these 2 4 times from the 8. Okay na? I am showing this one how this line meaning. We can take away 2. We can take away 2 number from the 4. How many times? 4 times. 4 times we are taking 2 number. Okay na? The 8 represent the total number of objects. The 2 number shows the number of groups. The 4 number shows each number in a group. So each number in a group means how many things are there in group. So each group has four things. Count it: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes or no? The 4 number tells how many things are there in each group. The 2 number tells number of groups. The 8 number tells total number of objects. Okay na? So this is the division sentence meaning. So when you see this division sentence, you have to imagine this number. The first number is telling number of things. The second number telling number of groups is equal to, after equal to number is telling each group has how many things. This point we should keep in the mind. We have to do the division very easily. Okay na? We are taking 2 number 4 times from the 8. Okay na? So how can you find out the division table? Find the division table of 2 from the multiplication fact of 2. Using the multiplication table, we have to find out the division table. Okay na students? Okay na? Write the 2 table. 2 ones are 2 నుంచి 2 times are 20 వరకు రాయండి. Okay na? Next, how you can using this one? Now these 2 is coming here like this way. So total number of things we will get. Yes or no? The 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Yes or no? This 2 multiplication table, you are using the multiplication table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. This 4 is total number of things. So that's why this 2 is total number of things. Total number of things divided by total number of group 2 is equal to 1. So using this division sentence, total number of groups, 2 groups are there. First group, second group. So how many things we have to distribute it? 2 things we have to distribute it. So 2 things is there, 2 groups are there. So each group has how many things? One things is there. So first group I am giving 1 and second group I am giving 1. Anything is more? Nothing is there. So each group has one thing. The 2 things we are distributed for each group 1. Yes or no? Yes or no? Using this multiplication sentence, we did the division sentence, and doing the division also. The 2 number is total number of things. This 2 number is number of groups. This is how many things are there in each groups. First we have to write the number of groups. 1, 2. How many things we have to distribute? 2 things for each group. How many times? 1 time. So 2 times we are distributed. Yes or no? This 2 number we are distributed, sorry, 1 time. 1 time. So 2 things are there. I have to distribute these 2 things for 2 groups. I am giving one thing for each group. Yes or no? The 2 things are over. Anything else? Nothing is there. So this is the way of, again we have to see 4. So 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is equal to how much? 2 you will get. So total number of things, 2 groups we have to put 1, 2. So we have to distribute 4 things. First time I am distributing 1 for each. Over. Again 4 minus 2 how much? 4 minus 2 2. Again I am distributing these 2 things 1 for each time. So now 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So for each group as how many things? 1 1 2 1 2. So each group as how many things? 2 things. Okay na students? For each and every time you have to solve this problem, you will get the answer. Nothing is there ma. Here 2 ones are 2. 2, this total number of things divided by, we are doing the multiplication table, 2 is equal to 1. Again the total number is 4 divided by this 2 number we are taking is equal to middle one 2. 6 number we are taking, 6 divided by 2. Yes or no? We are doing the division with 2 number. This is total number of things. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Same, very simple, we will get the answers. Okay now. Here see. The board I clearly mentioned. 2 ones are 2. This is total number of things. Total number of things divided by, we are using the division table 2 is equal to 1. Again total number of things 4. 4 divided by, we are using the division 2 table is equal to, okay. Here total number of things divided by using the division with 2 table is equal to 1. Total number of things 4 divided by using the division 2 table is equal to this 2 number. Now total number of things 6 divided by using the division 2 table is equal to 3. Same we have to do. So total number of things 8 divided by 2 table 2 division is equal to 4. Total number of things 10 divided by 2. We are doing the division 2 number. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. 12 number of things divided by 2 division 2 is equal to 6. Total number of things 14 is divided by 2 is equal to 7. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. Okay, the first number denotes number of things, the second number denotes number of groups. This equal after number is denotes each things in a group. So I mentioned clearly division table. This is the division table. The first number denotes total number of things. This is denotes number of groups. This denotes each things in so things in each group. Okay na? Number of things in each group. This is total number of groups, total number of objects. Doing this one, you will get the number of things in each group. Copy this one in your notebook, compulsory. You have to learn this table also. Division table of 2. Using the multiplication table 2, you are using the multiplication table 2, how to we have to make division table. Okay.